Everyone, welcome back to the Case and Hot Wheels Diecast Garage and Racing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a 50 pack that I got yesterday on Amazon. This is an exclusive 50 pack for that company. There is no treasure hunts or no regular treasure hunts in this case. It's just main lines of new models that just recently came out, and I'll be showing them off to you guys. I believe I already took a look at it. I took some cars out, and it's mostly fantasy models. I don't really like them, so unless it's something really cool, obviously, but this is mostly just fantasy models. This looks like it is an F-Case assortment, because I could tell of this Jeep right here. This would be a super treasure hunt for F-Case of this year, 2025. But anyways, let's start. We have, first off, to start the video, we have the Chevy Superbolt. It's an EV sedan looking thing. Honestly, I don't really like the color, but it is nice to have in my collection for some reason, since it's a licensed model, obviously. We have the 1975 Chevy Blazer Custom. One thing to note, they are in short cards. They're not in the long card version, so I believe these are international. We have Tune It Up. I also believe it's mixed with E-Case. We have the Range Rover Velar. And then we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This would be a super treasure hunt for F-Case this year. We have the 1994 Audi Avant RS2 in white. We have the Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition in this yellow color. This would be a super treasure hunt for E-Case. And honestly, I think this is really cool. I like this color on it. And also like the super treasure hunt of it too. We have the 1971 Dodge Challenger in this orange color. It's really cool. We have the Morgan Super 3. It's a three-wheeler car, as you can see. 3 wheels. And honestly, I think this color is nicer than the blue one that came out for the A-Case. We have the new Ford Escort in black, which I think is really cool. We do have one fantasy model that I like, and it's Power Rocket. I like that X-ray color theme. We have the tuned version of the Liberty Walk Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in blue. We have the new BMW 2002 in the yellow color with the BMW livery on it. We have the new Custom 53 Cadillac in this awesome blue color. I actually really like that, with the white stripes on it. We got a 1992 Ford Mustang in this black color. It kind of took a beating on top of there, I guess. We have the 2021 Ford Bronco in yellow. We have the 1968 Dodge Dart in this purple color. We have the new recolor of the GMC Cyclone from 1991. Honestly, I think this purple color in livery looks nicer than the white one from the M case of last year. We have the 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. That thing looks really cool. It's actually got some weight to it. That's pretty heavy. We have the Hakkeld Type D from the J Imports. It's a Japanese car. As you can see, it has Japanese writing on it. We have the new color for the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. I really like that color on it. We have the 1958 Chevy Impala. Pretty nice. We have the custom Kia EV6 in purple. It's pretty cool. We have the recolor of the 67 Chevy C10 pickup truck. That color is nice on it. We have a new 2018 Honda Civic Type R in red. That thing looks really cool. There's a new one coming out, and I believe it's a 2021 or something like that coming out. That's nice. And then we have the final car. This is the long block, which is also a fantasy model. Cool thing about these ones, I believe they're 3D printed. I don't know if they are, but they have that look to it. I have a kind of a grayish one about that color of the roof. It's about that color. But that was all the cars I recently got in a 50 pack. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be F case. I was expecting it to be more of an older case assortment, because I had that happen to me a few times when I got them. But this is all filled with new models, I believe, from E case and F case. I think mostly F case because of that Gladiator, which is a new model. This Cadillac, Paula, and all these other cars. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye. These were all pretty cool cars in this case.